There's no need for us to rush this through.
Money got my whole family going backwards.
Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much. This is more just for you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am April Sunny, and in today's video we are basically setting my hair for the week, but I wanted to show you guys how I achieved this look while in a sew-in. If this is something you'd like to see, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so I am starting out with freshly shampooed and deep conditioned hair. As you can see, I've divided off the back section of my hair into 2 equal parts, and each side is going to get 2 rollers, and I'm rolling it under. I'm going to roll it to about where I want the curl to drop. Now, this is not a hairstyle that I do every time I shampoo and deep condition my hair, but it is a quick and easy style to obtain bouncy, beautiful curls and have them hold throughout the week with little to no effort. As you can see, I'm just doing the same thing on the other side, putting 2, rolling it underneath. And I'm doing that because my next section that I drop down, you'll see in the next clip, I'm rolling it upwards because I don't want my curls to all go in the same direction. I'm here to tell you these are hot. So, you guys, it fell out and look how it curled already. That just means it's too much on this roller, but we gonna flex with it. We're not letting that go. Okay, so moving ahead, I'm taking down that middle section, and that is the section that I'm going to roll upwards. Okay, so I forgot to mention prior, but these hot rollers that I have come in 2 different sizes. I use the larger rollers for the bottom half, and for the top half, I'm using the smaller rollers. The reason I'm using the larger rollers at the bottom half and the smaller rollers at the top is because I want to keep my length at the bottom and I want fullness at the top. And you'll see once I've completed the look. Of course, if you're using hot rollers, you put them in as you please to get the desired look that you're looking for. So for the pieces around my face, I'm going to roll that going upwards, and I'm going to use the larger roller. So I still have some larger rollers left. I'm using that for the face framing pieces because I like for my face framing pieces to kind of fall like kind of loosely, kind of like a feather around my face. I'll show you that when I'm completed as well. And then the ones in the back, I'm going to roll under. So let me tell you where I went wrong with this piece right here. I rolled it way too high up on my head. So rolling it and pinning it that high up is going to give you unnecessary bumps in your head. I knew this, but I was also on the phone with my husband and I stopped paying attention to really what I was doing. Like I was trying to pay attention, but I was also trying to listen to what he was telling me as well. Girl, you'll see in a minute, like rolling the very top as high as I did, girl, it gives you unnecessary bumps. I'm telling you now so you can avoid it. So I just wanted to make it clear the only section that received the smaller rollers was the middle section, and that is for volume. So I have 3, oh, these are really hot, y'all. I have 3 is left to spare. And I'm just gonna wait for this to, you know, cool off, and then I'll be back. All right, so we've cooled off a bit. I'm gonna take them out. So I know I'm gonna get some questions about these hot rollers and how frequently you can use them and if they damage hair. So I wanna go ahead and answer those questions now. This is from my own personal opinion, so take that as you may. Is hot rollers damaging to your hair? When used properly, no, they are not damaging to your hair, but they can become damaging to your hair because it's still a heat source, and it can cause damage to the hair from tension or just being taken out improperly. And actually, I took one out and it didn't like fall out the way it should have. It should be coming up now. It gets stuck in your hair, and if you don't take your time to get it out, it will cause breakage. Can you sleep in hot rollers? I really don't recommend it, you guys. I don't think you should be sleeping in any type of hot rollers. As you can see, just from like 20 minutes of it being in my hair, if it gets stuck on the inside of the hot roller, it can cause tangles and breakage. So I would say do not sleep in hot rollers. When you are placing your hot rollers in your hair, just make sure you're not twisting it around the roller so tight because you don't want to cause tension to the hair. The hair is going to curl regardless, as you saw in the beginning when the hot roller fell out. It's because it was one, too much hair in it, and two, I did not roll it super tight, so it did fall out, but as you saw, it still curled my hair. Can you put hot rollers on wet or damp hair? I do not recommend that. Make sure your hair is dry before putting your roller set in, and make sure you use some type of heat protectant, whether that is a serum or a spray. Keep in mind, even though hot rollers are less damaging than a flat iron or curling iron, it is still a heat source. Keep in mind, hot rollers are at our disposal for, you know, a quick hairstyle, you know, for some volume, and that's why I'm setting my hair for the week. I will not be putting hot rollers back in my hair for the week, even though I have extensions, and that's because I don't want to damage my hair nor my human hair extensions. Some people use hot rollers daily and sometimes even twice a day. I don't recommend that. I think that's a bit excessive, but if you're using it, you know, once a week or every other week to set your hair, I think that's perfectly fine, but just keep in mind it is still a heat source and you should be using heat protectant when using it. Now, at night, the only thing I'm going to do is pin curl this hair, put my scarf or my bonnet on and go to sleep, take the pin curls out, and I still have beautiful bouncy curls. If you like more of a wave, you can definitely like just twist it on the top of your head, put it in a top knot, secure it. You'll have more of a wave in the morning opposed to these voluminous bouncy curls, but I don't know about you, I don't mind the messy wave look, so I've utilized that before as well. But definitely, if you were wondering how I'm going to keep this look up at night, I'm just going to pin curl it, you guys, and put my scarf on, go to bed. In the morning, I do put more coconut oil on my leave out. I think this is perfect for like date night when you're kind of short on time. You can pop these in real quick, do your makeup. Once your makeup is set and done, take them down and fluff them out. You're set and ready to go. You're not spending so much time in the bathroom with the hot tools. These hot rollers have saved me many a day. All right, you guys, so that is the video. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you utilize hot rollers and how it has benefited your hair. either while in a protective style or your natural hair. And until the next time, be loved. Bother me,